ever wondered why change feels so hard? Well, I'll tell you. That's because we are wired to resist. As humans, our default is resisting. Why do we resist, you may ask? Well, because we like to be comfortable, right? We like to be able to predict what's going to happen. We like to be in control for the most part. So change puts us in a place of discomfort where we cannot control what's going on, where we're not sure. Change hits us with the if question, and when we start feeling as if something, then we get uncomfortable. Once we get uncomfortable with the if, we're less likely to follow through with that change. So now we realize we're stuck. Why? Because we're resisting. Now, here is the truth. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Comfort is the enemy of success. So you cannot be too comfortable. You cannot stay comfortable because it's in the place of discomfort that you tend to find the answers that you're looking for. I didn't say hustle, and I didn't say you have to break your back, but I'm telling you that you have to be able and willing to put yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally in those uncomfortable spaces so that you can resist the resistance of change, if that makes any sense. So the next time you catch yourself avoiding change, you have to pause and ask, why am I avoiding this? Oh, I don't want to change because I'm resisting. But why are you resisting? Half of the time you realize that you are honestly resisting for no reason particularly. It's not like there is a major problem that will arise from this change. You're just resisting because that's what your brain wants to do. So your brain has taken the wheel and is just driving, and you're now just a passenger in your own life. In other words, what I'm asking you to do is take control of your brain, right? You cannot allow your brain to just do whatever it wants to do. That is living your life mindlessly. And as long as you're mindless and you're comfortable, you're not going to change. And as we said earlier, comfort is the enemy of progress. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Change is inevitable. It is normal to resist because that is our comfort zone. But I want you to know something. You are not meant to stay in this space of stuckness that you're in right now. You can be uncomfortable. I want you to allow yourself to be ever so slightly uncomfortable, because you will realize that in that discomfort is change. And that change is what's going to get you to where you're trying to go. Whatever you choose to do with the goals that you're tinkering with right now, I want you to remember that growth is the other side of discomfort, and change is the enemy of that growth. So in essence, discomfort is where we need to be. In order to do that, you can no longer resist change. I'm asking you to choose change. It's easier said than done, but once you now know that your brain is wired to resist, you now have the tools to buck against it and go get whatever it is you're looking for. Take good care.